Hi, my name is Jarlis Daza. I psychology student and I got one improves the pandemic. I will be able to travel in December to the city of Barranca Bermeja. It's a wills beats my sister and nephews. I will stay at my sister's house. I will bring close casuals and also create for my nephews. My favorite activities that I like to do when I beat my sisters are being able to enjoy my nephews. They're, they are the most beautiful. Then I hug, I play with tents. We read a lot in with its difference is with seeing my sister. She consents when I visit her with a lot of delicious food. I also know places and we go to shopping center. I will not spend a, a lot of money seeing it reads close to where I like in besides my sister gives me everything. Usually when I go I always bring sometimes significant from that place like it rings cat cat when the name of the city in food. Thank you.